Hi guys, welcome to the SparkFun Introduction to Design unit that we are piloting at Centaurus High School. Of course, I'm saying piloting, that's for the winter, January 2015. So if you're watching this in a subsequent year, then we were the pilot program chosen by SparkFun to do this. Anyways, we're going to start off with activity number 1, which is a marshmallow challenge. Now this video is going to try to paint a picture of what your responsibilities are for this challenge. But first I want to talk about the course that you are, the project that you're about to be in. So SparkFun is creating this class, and it's meant to be similar to the General Engineering 1400 class up at CU Boulder. So at CU Boulder for engineering, it's their freshman projects class. So for all the freshmen up at CU, they take the 1400 class. So this class is meant to be similar to that and possibly even used at a collegiate level. We're going to use it at the high school level. But it is a combination of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and software engineering, kind of all put into one class built around the design process and using the Arduino units for programming and doing all kinds of fun projects with. So that's what we're going to be doing. The class is made up of lectures, workshops, and design projects. So real quick to talk about those. The lectures, the goal is to introduce the stuff that you're supposed to know. So we're going to be talking about these important design concepts in there, like it says. The workshops are meant to teach you new skills. For example, you'll learn how to do soldering, and so that's going to be in a workshop. And then there's two major projects in this class, the design projects. There's the first one, which is smaller. It ends up being 15% of your overall grade. And then there's the final project, which is set up to be 75% of your total grade. And that looks like this. So now if you look at it, group work, total group work for the projects is supposed to be 90% of your grade, most of which is the final design project, a smaller amount for the intro design project. But we also have 10% of your grade coming from the individual work, so attendance, actually being there and being part of the lessons. The presentation and participation is part of your grade, and peer evaluations are also part of your grade. Now, my guess is we will tweak the grading techniques a little bit, but this is what was recommended from SparkFun. So we're going to try it out, and we'll see what it looks like. What you need to do now is if you go to Schoology, and you go to the Arduino unit, what you're going to see is I'm building this unit on here. As of right now, I'm only up through the first 5 activities, but it's all going to be built on here. So hopefully you can self-pace through the SparkFun Arduino Introduction to Design unit. So we're going to start with activity number 1, which is the Marshmallow Challenge. And so if we click into that, you're going to watch, you're already watching this video. Isn't that great? See how it's not linked yet? Because we're making it right now. Then you're going to watch a TED Talks video. And then you're going to go to this website that is for the Marshmallow Challenge, and it's going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Marshmallow Challenge. You're going to create teams of 2 or 3, and you're going to record your teams on this spreadsheet. And then I want to make sure that you see exactly what the instructions are. So step 2 of the Marshmallow Challenge, this is the link for it. It's going to tell you what supplies you get for this challenge, so you know what those are, and you use the right amount. And then step 3 is going to tell you exactly what your constraints are, your design instructions, and what you're trying to do. Okay. Once everybody's working, the teacher is going to post a final time, a final design time on the board so that all groups complete their designs at the same time. And we'll do the measurements of the towers, and all data will be recorded on this spreadsheet right here. And we'll be able to see how well each of the towers performed in the different classes. And when you're done with that, you're going to take a 10-question quiz, which is also on Schoology. It's the very next thing. So if we just, from the main page, if I go to Marshmallow Challenge quiz right here, you're going to see that there's 10 questions on there, and you'll take that quiz and do the best you can. And those 10 points are the 10 points that are going to be used for your grade check on this, as well as the performance of your talent in the challenge. Okay? Have a good time.